It's time for a tooth truth from Village Dental. Excessive grinding, or bruxism, can lead to painful jaw and dental problems. Many people brux while sleeping, leading to sore and tired facial muscles, jaw joint disorders, and damaged dental restorations. Why do we do it? Stress and sleep disorders are at the top of the list. Please see your dentist for a complete diagnosis and try to relax and smell the roses. Village Dental offers free x-rays and exams for new patients and free nitrous for all patients. Call today.